Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential task: changing your Gmail accounts on your Android device. Whether you're juggling personal and professional emails or managing multiple accounts, we've got you covered with these easy steps. First, launch the Gmail app on your Android device. Look for that familiar envelope icon and tap it to open. Once you're in, it's time to switch things up. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or initial there. Give it a tap. This is where the magic happens. After tapping your profile, a list of all the Gmail accounts you've added to your device will appear. It's like having all your emails at your fingertips. Now, simply scroll through the list and select the account you want to switch to. Just a quick tap, and you're in. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Gmail account. No fuss, no hassle. Now you can easily manage all your emails in one place, making your life just a bit simpler. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.